Dears, today we will learn new topic that is making bills. Okay, so in money, this is a new topic, and these all things also you are learning first time. So it's a different kind of things. So what is bills? You are actually maybe you saw the different kinds of bills that we are getting from the shops when we went for a shopping with your parents. After purchasing the things, we will get bills. For example, when we for shopping for when we are going for the shopping in supermarket like that place. For example, like Manjal in Chertala, that side, in Alapi that side, different of hypermarkets and supermarkets are there. Simple, we are going for any shoppings, we can get some kind of bills, isn't it? So when you notice that kind of bills, so you can see that but the things that we purchase is written there. Understand? The things that we purchase is written there, and the amount we paid also there. Isn't it? Yes, it should be there. So if you are not those who are not seeing this kind of things, you can notice it now. Okay, you just ask your parents. Maybe they might be have their some bills with them. Okay, you just ask your parents. They will should, definitely give you. Okay, if they don't have right now, they will give you after it. Okay, when they go for any purchase, they will give you. So whatever it is, we can come to our topic, making bills. How can we make bills? Okay, it comes to the example that is given on the textbook. I will read it. Okay, so what it is? Example: mother gave me rupees 85. Mother gave me rupees 85. So my mother gave me rupees 85. 85 rupees she gave me. I bought a sugar for rupees 40. I bought water, sugar. I went shop and I bought a sugar for rupees 40 and a curd for rupees 30. Curd for how much? Rupees 30. How much did I spend? How much money did I spend? Okay. What change did I get back? How much money I will be get back? I am spending some money for buying sugar and curd, isn't it? So how much money total I spend and how much what change I did get back? Change. How can we find that one? That I am going to explain. So first of all, to making bills, we have two sections there. Isn't it? In the solution in your textbook, you can see that in page number 85. Isn't it? So what are that section? In the bill. Okay, this is simple kind of bill. Okay, it's bill. Okay, this bill part it is different but divided into two part, bill and the change. Okay, change. This part is actually we are finding. Actually, when from the shops we are getting this kind of bill. This is actually what the it's about our money. Okay, the rest of money that we are having. This won't be in your bill usual bills. Okay, this part only in your usual bills that's we are getting from the shop. Okay, so what the things I bought that you have to need. So you have to note the things that we bought from the shop, which are things sugar and curd. Understand? We bought sugar and curd from the shop. So for to making a bill, first step note the things that we bought. Okay. First one is what? Sugar. So I am writing sugar here. Understood? Sugar. Sugar is equal to rupees 40, rupees 40.00. Okay, it is on your textbook. Okay, rupees 44.00. Then curd, curd, curd. Okay, curd is equal to what is rupees 13.00. So these are the things I bought. So I ordered the things I bought. That is first part to make the bill. Understand? ഇതാണ് നമ്മൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ട് എഴുതേണ്ടത്. Okay, things that we purchased. നമ്മൾ മേടിച്ച സാധനങ്ങൾ ഏതൊക്കെയാണ് എന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ എഴുതുന്നത്. Okay, sugar and curd. So next thing is that what the money I spend. What the money I spend on the shop. Understand? എത്ര രൂപ ഞാൻ ചെലവാക്കി. That is spend. Okay, what money I spend. Okay. To find that one, you have to add. Isn't it? The money I spent for both sugar and curd, we have to do what? Addition. So there we have to do addition. You can add separately and write here, no problem. But or you can add here also. Okay. Then 0, 0. Okay. 3 and 4 plus 1, 53. Isn't it? So I got 53. So here we are writing money I spent. This is the way we are writing. Okay. Money I spent is equal to what? Rupees 53. 53 rupees. Okay, that I spent there. Next thing, this is the change. Change means what? My mother gave some amount of money. What was that? 85. Okay, and I spent 53 rupees in the shop. And how much money will be left with me? How can I find that one? To find that one, we have to subtract it from the total amount. Okay, that is total amount is what the mother gave by. Sorry, the money gave by the mother. Is it money gave by the mother? That is 85 minus what? 53. What will get? The money left with me. Understand? Okay, from the total amount of money, subtract the money I spend, then you will get the change. Okay, so how can I write money? Okay, it is over here. Okay, textbook it is given money given is equal to what are 85.00. Is it 85.00? Okay, money spent that we found. Money spent we found it here. Sugar plus curd we got 53. Okay, 00. Okay, when we subtract what we get a change. To find the change we have to subtract from the total amount of money. 0. 5 minus 3, 2 will get 8 minus 5. What will get 32. So this is the way we have to find out the answer. So I hope that you understand. In the next question also you can find this one, because here what you have to write in bill part, candy, sticks and balloon rupees, then find the total, and how much money is left with here. If she gave the shopkeeper rupees 100, so what is their money given is you can write as 100. Okay, I'm just explaining. When you read you will understand. From that one when you subtract the money she spent, then you will get the answer. So just you can do that question yourself. Just go through this one and do yourself. Okay, yes. Okay, that's all.